A very good morning and hello to my dear students. Today we are going to see a very important topic of our life, that is fear, and how to overcome our fear. But before we going to start our today's topic, I want you all to stand for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Well said by Sir Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has no been broken up into the fragments by the narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of the thrust, where tireless strives strength its arm toward the perfection. This is the line which have written by the Rabindranath sir in the behalf of fear, where he is explaining the depth of the fear and how to overcome our fear. There is a prism that has an inmate population in the billions. It's a prison without wall, without wire, without guard, and without any physical barrier. But it is the most effective prison in the world. Few accept it, but those who do find real and lasting freedoms. This prison is in our mind. It is a prison that hold back our initiatives, our talent, and our abilities to accept ourselves, and the most of all, it hold back the fulfillment of our full potential as a human being. That prison is fear. Our life today are controlled by fear more than we know. Fear controls the choice we made, our action, our habits, and even our destination also. Fear has also one of the greatest barrier of our life. It will absolutely stop you from living a life that you deserve, recognizing it, conquering it. Sir Elongs has said that you gain strength, you gain courage and confidence by every experiment in which you really stop to look fear in the face. You must do the things which you think you can't do. Now we will see how to overcome our fear. Now overcoming fear is nothing but there is nothing to fear but fear itself. I am sure you have an experiment in the past when you really feel fear of something. After doing it, how do you feel? Silly or stupid? The feeling is often of that wasn't so hard after all, right? I don't know what I was fear of, right? So trying to fight fear is like trying to fight with the dark. You don't know or you can't do it, but the way you get rid of darkness is to bring in the light. The way you get rid of your fear is to conquer them. Do the things you fear to do and keep on doing it. That is the quickest and the sure way ever you yet discover to conquer fear. Imagine every dream ever want to accomplish and every goal you hope to achieve. Now imagine never getting to do all of those things. That is what happened to the people who are too scary to pursue their dreams. So they live full of lonely for some things they never get. Right? The greatest obstacle most people face in the achieving their dream is self-doubt. And if they could overcome their own fear, they would lead to a happier life. Fear, it takes hold of even the strongest man when he least accepts it. The creeping feeling of self-doubt, the constant nagging thought of do I do it, do I dare, should I try that, can lead to the mental health issues also. The key to overcome fear and self-doubt is tackling to the problem head on. There is no one solution to every fear, but by doing what is scared and not letting it stop them, people can overcome almost everything. For an example, if you are scared of rejection, then apply to one of the most famous college in the world. It won't hurt to try, right? And if you are accepted, you get a great education. Simple exercise like that can help boost confidence and reduce your stress about achieving what you want in life. That the best part about pushing past your fear, the feeling of pride and accomplishment resulting from doing something difficult. Go ahead and start a business you want to start. Go ahead and study what you really want to study. Go ahead and become a musician, poet, artist, fashion designer, or whatever else you want to do. Sure, you might fail, but you might success too. Take the risks too today and conquer your fear. Do you want to look back years from now and think I could have, I might have, or I should have? That is the sad way to live your life. So do whatever you want to do, but do it in a best way. That is what you come about the things in today's topic and how to overcome our fear. If you have a fear of study, you go through it. You revise the thing again and again. If you have a fear of lizard, then come in front of lizard. You will feel very comfortable, right? So this is about our fear. There is nothing about the fear to fear it, right? So today we have seen about the fear and how to come out from our fear. Hope you have enjoyed and understood today's topic. Here I finished today's assembly and you need to get ready for the next activity.
आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है फॉरवर्ड जंप, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. हाँ, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू. मैं आपको भी करके दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट आपको ऐसे खड़े रहना है, फिर पोजीशन लेके जंप आगे करना है. लेकिन जब आप जंप करते हो तो आपका राइट या फिर लेफ्ट, हम पहले राइट लेग से करेंगे. राइट लेग हमारा एयर में आना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट तो ये पोजीशन का आपका बैलेंस होना चाहिए. देन ओके, रिलैक्स. फिर से मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको. पोजीशन, देन हमारा बॉडी कैसे बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू डू एट योर होम. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है एक्सरसाइज फॉर द लेग एंड वेस्ट. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. सो फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट आपको फ्लोर पर से बैठना है, लेग स्ट्रेच करके. ये हो गई आपकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. हैंड्स ऑन योर वेस्ट. ओके, देन 1, क्लोज, 2, ओपन। इजी है, लेकिन आपको ये करना जरूरी है, इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8। ओके, नाउ स्टैंड अप। स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है हमारे बॉडी का, हम बॉडी फ्रॉम अ टेबल बनाने की हम जो है वो कोशिश करेंगे। जो टेबल का पोजीशन रहता है तो हम वैसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट आपको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन लेना है। ओके, सिट लाइक दैट, ऐसे बैठना है, हैंड्स आगे बैक रहेंगे, नीज आगे, देन स्लोली अप करना है। जितना आप अप कर सकते हो बॉडी को, स्ट्रेट ऐसे करना है, बैलेंस करना है, रिलैक्स। ओके, अगेन स्लोली अप, रिलैक्स, देन स्टैंड अप। थैंक यू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। ओके, नाम याद रखेंगे, होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। सो आई विल शो यू। फर्स्ट यू विल गो डाउन, सिट लाइक दैट, आपको ऐसे बैठना है। फिर 1 काउंट पर आपको हैंड्स पीछे करना है। ओके, 2 में अप, 3 डाउन, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stand up. Thank you.